So already coming into this morning, March 27th, 2019. Here we're watching a small failure in Euro happening right now. Failed at 1.252 level. The monthly is usually the bigger picture, or the weekly monthly is a bigger picture here. That's coming into play, running to some resistance. Dollar is spiked this morning, up 51% so far. Um, Along with, and then gold and silver are also down a little bit. So that might have, those are all kind of correlating. Um, so what I'm looking here for, so we just went from an area of balance to and currently an imbalance, looking for balance. Probably be looking for the next area of balance where we can short to the downside, or a pullback situation where a bear pullback where it pulls up, and then we look for an opportunity to short at a certain level where it was rejected, certainly like this level or this level. Don't think there'll be much strength into this. Could also just get some failure right away here, and down below. We can easily see what's going on in the 30-minute here. So already pretty big down, going down into an area of previous kind of sort of like a balance area where we kind of hung out here for a while. So yeah, looking for being able to be accepted back into this area. Who knows if we'll get some more strong selling? Most likely, I mean, especially at a level like this, where on the bigger time frame, there's a bigger strong resistance area. I want to say the rejection is probably going to be pretty strong to the downside, as well would be the move to the upside if one were to happen. But yeah, so that's going to be my plan moving into today with the Euro futures. Um, Also going to be looking at the ES mini futures. Currently going to be looking for levels to play back off of, maybe this 2640 area, 2650 area. I could always use back, take back some fill, or just look for a build up along 2680, 2660. Gonna be looking at waiting to see what works, what doesn't work, and just focus on that, and find those risk reward areas where it previously worked or didn't work. With the ES, then we have CL, which is a good example of what things are not working right now. So 66 didn't work, 66 their 40 area did not work, creating a nice little double top situation here. Impact back then down into the 6620 to 66 area. Definitely would look for some more downside here. In the bigger time frame picture out, it would be nice to maybe even put a position on here and look for some downside, stop above 66 and just see what it does. Just from a risk reward scenario. Um, staying a lot around 680 area, down to 650 would most likely we'll see some failure. I mean, you could tell just from looking at this area how well 650 just held and held and held. 650 to 660, or 6550 to 6560, how well this area just held. Um, and kept crude from going down below. So I think that'll be a really good move. I think we have a clear area of what works and what doesn't work here. So we'll be looking to play off this going forward. So those are the plans for the day. And been looking around here. I mean, copper looks really interesting here. I think we can get some upside here. I was looking at the weekly, monthly. Um, Got some areas right here. I mean, we're definitely down into a support area here. So it can get it could get interesting here. Um, Might get a strong rally off this area, which would explain this sudden rally here. Nice defense here by the bulls here on copper. Natural gas spiking up, was rolled over, now spiking into the open. I think there's a pretty bullish sentiment. Winter's still pretty strong out there from what I'm seeing. People still suffering from the cold, even in Cali. I mean, the cold is pretty strong here, stronger than usual around this time. So that's pretty interesting. Whether it could have some impact on natural gas moving forward. So that'll be interesting to look out for. So that's about it for right now. We'll be getting ready to look for opportunities here shortly and getting to work.